Hey guys, welcome to the How To channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to see non-followers on Snapchat story. If you want to do it, watch this video till the very end. First thing I have to do is to open your Snapchat and make sure your public profile is created. Once you open your Snapchat, click on the profile on the top right corner. And once you're here, scroll down. You can see here this option of public profile. Click on my public profile underneath it. Once you click on it, here you will find different options of stories, spotlight and insight. So in order to see non-followers, click on Insight. Insights provide valuable data to help users understand their audience. Here you will be able to find 28 days summary, audience demographics, time spent, screenshots. And here you will find your Snap views and viewers. Here you can easily see which non-follower viewed your Snapchat story. And that's how you can see non-followers on Snapchat story. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to subscribe the How To channel.